There go a B. Bitch, you ain't getting none of my motherfucking burger, B. Bitch. Get the hell on here, for. Bees be thinking they can run this shit. Move, bitch. Just cause you a fucking bee and you want some of my motherfucking move, bitch. Move, hoe. Fuck out of here, bitch. Welcome back to another channel. It is day one, April Fools. God, the month is really moving, honey. Well, we are now in April, honey. April Fool, yeah. Is today April Fool? Yeah, today April Fool's, whatever. But anywho, I am about to get in, about to get in the shower and wash this puss. And nothing major today. Today is more like a relaxing day. Pretty much going to take the dogs out and chill. Tomorrow I have lunch, so pretty much this is going to be another relaxing day. I am going to finish my cheeseburgers that I didn't finish yesterday. I had 2 burgers that I didn't finish yesterday, so I'm gonna finish them today just because, motherfucker. Okay? Because I don't feel like cooking nothing else new. I might cook something else, I don't know. But I'm gonna cook them today. I'm gonna eat them last 2 today, whatever. But I'm going to take my shower and wash my puss, okay? Bitch. Honey. This ain't Texas. I use the good stuff. I use the good stuff. They are cars down. And now they down. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with a part 2 on cooking my burgers. However, I'm gonna put these bad boys in the microwave and let them warm up and go chow down. Cause it's in the afternoon right now. I don't need to let the food go to waste. So I tried to hook up my my microphone, but it's dead at the moment. It's dead at the moment. So I'm letting them charge. So I'm gonna come over here, put this in the microwave, let it warm up for a couple good minutes, and then we're gonna go on to the table and we're gonna eat. I might go outside and eat if I can. Okay, so let's go ahead and make these burgers, honey. Let's go ahead and get these burgers out the way, because I am starving. They already hot and ready. Okay. And you know I'm gonna add my little sauce on there. Y'all done seen the bottle at this point. And I'm gonna go outside. I ain't making no fries. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go outside and eat my burgers, honey. Enjoy this giving God's day. Okay, I am here at outside now. Gonna have me a little dinner outside. A little sparkling water. Mm-hmm. It never fails. It never fails. Mm. Mm. Move, fly. You can't have none of this. Mm-mm. Mm. gotta get your own food fast. Move, baby. You can't have none this season. Mm-mm-mm. Nature just feel like they can just take whatever they want to take from you. Mm. So pretty out here. Gorgeous. They go B. Bitch, you ain't getting none of my motherfucking burger, B. Bitch. Get the hell on here, for. Bees be thinking they can run this shit. Move, bitch. Just cause you a fucking bee and you want some of my motherfucking move, bitch. Move, hoe. Fuck out of here, bitch. I know how to sting too, motherfucker. Shit. Take my hand and slap you across the goddamn thing. Mm. You might be little. I'm bigger, bitch. You think you gonna sting me, motherfucker. You got one thing coming. Okay. Better go find you some honey, honey. Cause this ain't it. Mm-mm-mm. Nature, honey. Nature wants you to share everything. Mm. I usually don't eat when it's hot outside, but today was a beautiful day. And I need some vitamin D, which is some sunlight. And vitamin C and vitamin honey, I need all that. I need the good Lord to shine on me. Okay. You're trying to get the bees. Ooh. Damn bees. Okay, we're about to go inside, y'all. The bees is aggravating me. Okay. Feeling a little sleepy now. Some water good. I think I'm going out to eat tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna cook. I don't think I'm gonna cook. Lay on. That was my dinner. Well, lunch. Scratch that, that was lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I done gained some pounds. Let me show you how much I weigh. Let me check it again. 165. 165. Damn, I was at 130. I was at 163 and now I'm at 165. Girl. I got some pretty feet. Okay? The Russians, honey. The Russian does my nails. The Russians. I did add these stones on myself. I did add them on. I think that tops my day, I guess. I'm about to go take a nap. So, peace.
Thank you for your service.